One day, the lion, fox, and tortoise decided to have a grand feast together. Each was supposed to bring something special. The lion hunted a fat deer. The fox gathered juicy berries. And the tortoise, being slow, claimed he would prepare the food. When the meal was ready, the tortoise said, "Since I worked hardest, I will serve the food fairly." The lion and fox nodded, eager to eat. First, the tortoise served the lion a giant plate of bones. "Since you have the strongest teeth, you get the toughest part," he said. Then, he handed the fox a plate full of bitter, sour berries. "Since you're the smartest, you can figure out how to enjoy these." "Where's the rest of the meat?" Lion growled. "Yes. We hunted, but we get only bones?" Fox added angrily. Tortoise shrugged. "I divided it fairly. Maybe I was just lucky to get more." Lion and fox were suspicious, but since tortoise had prepared the food, they couldn't be sure what had happened. The next day, as they were walking near the bushes, lion and fox noticed something unusual. Hidden behind some rocks, they found a stash of fresh meat, pieces from their hunt. Tortoise had tricked them. Furious, lion roared, "You deceived us!" Fox hissed, "We trusted you, and you cheated us!" Tortoise, realizing he was caught, simply smiled and said, "You were foolish to trust someone with food when they did not hunt for it." Lion and fox regretted ever sharing food with tortoise. From that day on, they vowed never to eat with him again, and tortoise was known as the clever trickster of the savannah.